Hello, my name is Jim Shalott. I'm the senior lawyer at Shalott Hatton Kopel. You can reach us on the web at www.shalottlaw.com. Today I'd like to take a few moments and speak to you about how to choose a lawyer. There are a couple of things to keep in mind when talking to a lawyer or choosing a lawyer. The best way to select a lawyer is using a personal reference, not from somebody who's merely friends with a lawyer, but somebody who has actually had a case with that lawyer. It doesn't hurt to take a look at some of the professional directories. A professional directory is also a good way to find a lawyer in the first instance. The most prominent and authoritative directory is still the Martindale-Hubbell directory. The Martindale-Hubbell directory actually rates attorneys either from the top listing of bar registry, of which I've been a member for 20 years, to AV, meaning that the lawyer is ethical and competent, to BV, meaning that the lawyer is ethical and good. There are also other directories which are now available on the internet, such as AVA, which is a consumer rating driven, and also super lawyers, which, like Best Lawyers and other of the rating directories, can be used to determine whether or not the lawyer's got a level of competence and can practice law in the field in which you're interested. If you've chosen a lawyer and then wish to have an interview with the lawyer, keep a couple of things in mind. Good lawyers are busy, and it might take a couple of days for a lawyer either to return your phone call or to get back to you. You should make sure that when you're interviewing the lawyer that you have a clear understanding of what the fee agreement is with the lawyer. You should also ask for the lawyer's resume, get a sense as to whether the lawyer has ever handled a case such as yours before, and if so, what the outcomes are. It's a good thing to look at the directory entry about the lawyer whom you are interviewing so that you could understand what the lawyer's experience, credentials, and academic background is. You should remember that no lawyer can ever guarantee a result to you in any type of case, whether it is a contingent fee, fixed fee, or hourly rate type case. It also needs to be remembered that your expectations of what might happen in the case might not be reasonable. Every law case has a winner and a loser, and it's very hard to predict with any certainty whatsoever as to who it will ultimately win or lose a particular case. Once again, this is Jim Shalott speaking. Thank you very much for listening.